Hi, I'm Darken. This week I focused on making the world feel more connected. The coins you collect finally matter, and I added portals, but not just for fast travel. Let's say they change how you move through the level, and what you have to face along the way. Let me show you what's new. One of you suggested adding a shop in the last video, and honestly that idea stuck with me. Collecting coins was pointless, so it just made sense. Now there is a proper shop system, you can walk to it, open the UI and buy things. It's basic for now, but the structure is solid and I will definitely expand it with more upgrades later on. I really liked seeing ideas pop up in the comments, so please keep them coming and I will do my best to implement what I can. Also big thanks to the person who suggested it, seriously this kind of feedback helps a lot. You now gain souls whenever you kill an enemy. Souls are a new resource currently used to activate portals, directly linking them to combat. Later, they might serve for another gameplay purpose. Also, the new HUD shows score, souls, and coins in a clear structured layout. Additionally, when you gain or spend any of these resources, a floating colored text animation appears under the respective HUD element for instant feedback. This improves clarity without cluttering the screen. I also moved much of the previous word space feedback into the UI to reduce chaos and make the gameplay feel smoother. I also added scene transitions between menus, so instead of instantly snapping, the menus now fade in and out for a much smoother feel. I added a new portal system. To activate it, the player needs to collect a set number of souls by killing enemies, and once enough are gathered, you can activate a portal stone, which then spawns two linked portals. This wasn't just for movement, it was my way of forcing the player to actually fight, instead of skipping past everything with jumps and dashes. So it changes how you approach each level, since you need to engage, not just rush forward. And with the new scene transitions, everything feels a bit more connected and more polished. I also added a new mechanic. Projectiles can now teleport through portals. This includes arrows and fireballs, so if you shoot into a portal, it comes out from the other side and still counts as a hit. I'm not 100% sure how I will use this, but it opens up a lot of potential. Puzzles, ambush setups, ranged switches, and stuff like that. For now it's just a cool system that adds depth to how ranged combat might evolve later on. Surprisingly, this week had very few bugs, and honestly I'm pretty happy with how scalable the code turned out to be. Most of the new systems fit in without breaking anything major. The only serious issue was with teleporting and dashing at the same time. It caused some weird movement glitches, but that's now fixed. Overall, the code base is holding up, which makes me a bit more confident moving forward. Right now, most of the core systems are in: shop, souls, portals and transitions. So I've already started working on level design and the first boss prototype. The boss sprite sheet is already halfway done, so with a bit of luck, I will probably have it playable by the next week update. As always, I would love to see more comments and feedback, and if you suggest anything cool, I will do my best to fit it into the game when I can. Thanks for watching, and if you want to follow the journey, feel free to subscribe. And that's it for this devlog. See you on the next one.